Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add photo styles in a CapCut mobile. So first you are going to select your photo or video and you're going to select style, and here we have a lot of options you can choose from. You have these like trending ones, we have AI painting, we have particle expressions, motion, split, portrait, face swap, and scene swap as well, and we also have some video effects. And for instance, I want to add in this like maybe classic cartoon like effect. I'm just going to select it and press the check mark button. It is that simple, but yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!